How to boost performance and FPS for Fortnite in Windows. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can boost the performance and other optimizations for Fortnite from the Windows perspective. So if you have a low-end PC and you are getting few FPS, then here are some useful tricks that you can utilize in order to get more FPS even from your low-end PC in Fortnite. So if you have tried using the in-game settings like sliding the graphics to low and also deducing all of the textures and other things within the game, but still you are receiving few FPS, then I will show you some of the tweakings that you can do from the Windows end. So in order to start, the first thing that we're going to do is simply click onto the taskbar and from here go to the settings of our Windows computer. And within the settings, I'm going to click onto the system and then click onto display. Now within display, I'll click on graphics and from here I can simply search for Fortnite, and here you can see Fortnite is right here. So simply click onto this drop down arrow and from here you can see the GPU preference. So from here, instead of let Windows decide or any power saving option, if it is has been set, simply click onto this high performance option, and from here within the optimizations for windowed games, you can turn it on or also off depending upon your particular setting. So if you are getting better results while on, you can keep it on or else keep it off. And then from here also, if you are messed up with the settings, you can also click onto this reset button in order to reset the settings, and hopefully you will receive a better performance boost in your Fortnite application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.